Yeah, hi, I'm Mala Maini. I'm a professor of viral immunology at University College London.
Here at the International HBV Meeting, you're giving a presentation on the role of the immune system. Is that correct? Could you explain what that is about?
So what we're going to be thinking about in that seminar is how we can harness the natural ability of our body's immune system to control this virus very effectively. So most adults who get infected will control the virus lifelong. Unless they undergo immunosuppression for transplant or chemotherapy, then the hepatitis B level comes up. They maintain it under very effective long-term immune control. So really we think that that's a very good strategy to try to mimic with immunotherapy. Of course, there's many new drugs coming through, which we're hearing about at the conference, which are much more potent drugs that can really bring down the level of the viral antigen as well as the viremia. But we don't think that those drugs are likely to be able to remove every last trace of the virus, because it's very good at hiding out in the liver cells in these special forms of cccDNA, integrated DNA, which are very difficult to eradicate completely.
And that's how, in one way how it's different than hepatitis C.
Exactly. So hepatitis C is a pretty straightforward virus to clear with antivirals. With hepatitis B, we think that by bringing in the immune system as a second line of attack to complement the antivirals, we've got a better chance of maintaining little last traces of the virus that can't be eliminated under immune control.
So the disease doesn't come back after it's been cleared for...
Exactly. So that we can then give short-term therapy instead of people having to stay on drugs for life. We can then boost their immune response so that they can come off all drugs and maintain the natural immune control that we see in many adults.
So there's a lot of reason for optimism.
I think so, but I mean, of course, playing around with the immune system has its hazards. It's being, done very successfully in cancer immunotherapy, where there's some very exciting results coming out. But in a condition like hepatitis B, we need to be a lot more cautious than we are in cancer, because there's always the possibility with immunotherapies that we can also cause flares of liver disease and actually exacerbate things. So we have to find a careful balance of a way of targeting the immune response which is safe enough to use in hepatitis B.